Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're reviewing a tool that is Recraft AI. Recraft AI is a next-generation generative design tool tailored for professional creatives. With its flagship model V3 like Red Panda, it offers advanced support for vector generation, seamless patterns, branded illustration sets, and real-time collaboration all via a web and mobile platform. Recraft V3 ranked number 1 in multiple image benchmarks, outperforming tools like Midjourney and DALL-E for quality and consistency. Its infinite canvas with support for real-time team collaboration and style-based illustration generation make the design language artboarding. It can create SVG vector art, logos, icon sets, or high-resolution PNGs with brand-aligned style and color palettes. It includes background remover, image upscaler, content eraser, and the ability to lasso, select, and prompt add elements to existing images, ideal for mockups and clean edits. You can generate consistent visual themes or multiple images in the same style and palette in one batch. It supports integration with design workflows and product mockups. So you get professional visual consistency, vector support, initiative editing workflows, rapid style iteration, and free plan available. But talking about the cons, while powerful, it requires mastery. Similar to using Photoshop, beginners may find it challenging to leverage all features. Some users noted recent price hikes, which may affect affordability for small users, and some users report prompts producing similar output even after changes. Quality varies depending on our input precision, and service has been disabled in areas like Russia due to sanctions limiting global access. So, Recraft AI stands out as a professional-grade AI design tool. Its strength lies in combining global AI generation quality with deep control over layout, brand style, and vector editing, something few competitors consistently deliver. The platform shines for creators building visual identities, mockups, icon sets, or scalable AI illustrations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.